Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ALCATEL One 2022. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now from this screen here, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on Alcatel. Then tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. For example, this photo, just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on Alcatel. Come on! Then selecting while using the app and pointing our camera at this code, but we can also input this key over here and connect our smartphones by selecting Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!